Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I hope you had a great weekend. Well, today I'm going to talk on a very interesting topic. We all love fashion. We all love to look fashionable, stylish, trendy, right? We all look forward to designers or designer wears, right? And we see what is in trend, what dresses are in fashion, and then we buy those and we want to look good in those dresses, right? So today in this session, I'm going to talk about all the vocabulary related to fashion and how we can use that vocabulary in our own sentences to express ourselves. And in the last segment, as usual, I'm going to talk about my fashion experience or what kind of fashion I like or what fashion means to me. On any of these topics, I'll speak about. So guys, in the same way, you can also start talking with me in English. You can start speaking with me in English. You can start picking up these vocabularies, getting its meaning, understanding its meaning, using it in your own sentences, and speaking about anything related to fashion. Okay, so that you can start talking about it in English with people very confidently and fluently. So these are practice sessions, guys. It will help you to build up your confidence and fluency and will help you to build up your vocabulary and sentence construction as well. Right? So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. I have made things very easy for you guys. I've just divided into topic wise. Take up each topic and I speak about its vocabulary, how to construct sentences about on that vocabulary or related to that vocabulary. And then I speak also about that topic. I take a question and I speak about it, or I take a topic and I speak about it, right? So that it becomes easier for you to understand, relate, and practice. So today I've chosen the topic of fashion. So without any delay, let's get started. We all want to look fashionable. We all talk about fashion whenever there is a wedding or a party or an event at our place or somewhere else's where we are invited in. We do look forward to our clothes, our accessories, our shoes, probably the hairdo, etc., etc. We look forward to. Not only women, men also do that, right? They choose their dresses like how we are going to look. So we all are conscious about our looks and we do take efforts to look good. So that is why today I am going to talk about fashion so that you get to know how to speak about it. The first word is style. So style is basically a kind of design or a pattern, right? That is a style. Indo-Western style or Western or Indian style of clothing. So we say this. For example, I love Indo-Western style of clothing. Or I love your style of clothing. The way you dress up, I love your style. The different styles of clothes available in the market. Okay, clothing. Clothing means the cloth you're wearing or the clothes is called the clothing or it's called clothing line. Right? Everything is there, the clothes. You'll find all kind of clothing lines in a mall. You'll find all kind of clothing lines in a mall. Like all kind of dresses, clothes collectively you will find there. Okay, outfit. Outfit is your dress. Okay, so what outfit are you going to wear at the birthday party? Or what kind of outfit are you going to wear at the event or annual event? Okay. Or this outfit is so pretty. The outfit which the mannequin is wearing is so pretty. Trend, which is in fashion. Okay, which is trending right now, which is there in the market, which is in fashion, in trend, which is in. It's called trend. The fashion trends usually changes every time. The fashion trend usually changes every time. Okay, accessories, the add-ons like the jewelry or the footwear or the hair accessories, a lot of accessories which we carry, purse, a bag or a jewelry or a footwear or any hair, hairdo, hair accessory which we wear is called accessories. The add-ons, the additional things we need to dress up, it's called accessories. You'll find a lot of accessories shop in the market. You'll find a lot of accessories shop in the market. Now, to describe dresses, we have terms called apparel or attire. These are all dresses. Okay, outfit. We also call it outfit. The outfit you wore at the party was very fashionable or very much trending. Okay, the apparel section of the mall has a lot of variety. The apparel section of the mall has a lot of variety. Attire. The birthday girl's attire was beautiful. The birthday girl's attire was beautiful. So these are a few words in general which are used to describe fashion. Okay, so I have used them in sentences also. There are many other words as well which I am not talking about because they are very specific to something or they're not very much frequently used. These are the words which are very simple, very easy to understand, and you speak about it. We talk about fashion in this way, in general. Okay, so these are the words which you can use in your own sentences and try making some more sentences out of it so that it's easier for you to speak about this topic on this topic. Okay, now the last part I'm going to speak about is what fashion means for me. To me, fashion means comfort. The dress I'm comfortable with is fashionable for me. Yes, you heard it right. For me, whatever is trending doesn't mean it's in fashion or I'm going to wear that. I feel the clothes in which I'm comfortable, the style in which I'm comfortable with is my style statement or is fashionable for me. So I don't go behind fashion or trends. I just pick up stuffs which I am comfortable with and I like. For parties or occasions, I prefer wearing Indian or Indo-Western outfits, and I also don't go behind brands. Whatever I like, I just pick up from any store or any brand or any mall, whatever it is. I also love wearing accessories, so I wear statement jewelries and a comfortable footwear. This defines my complete look. So I feel fashion is something which you are comfortable. Fashion is something which makes you look stylish and comfortable at the same time, whether it is accessories or your footwear or your clothes or your makeup or your jewelry, anything. If you're comfortable with, you will definitely look fashionable, trendy and stylish. So guys, this was my idea of fashion. You can also take up this topic and can speak about it. What do you think about fashion, or what is your thought about fashion, right? How you define fashion, right? So you can take up this topic and you can talk about it. So guys, that's a wrap for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.